everyone. Every year, every year, millions of people go on a journey, a pilgrimage, with hope in their hearts. Some pray for healing, some for peace, and some simply wish for a better tomorrow. But sometimes along the path, we find something greater than what we see. We find a chance to give hope to someone else. This is the story of a group of young friends of class 5. The pilgrimage journey wasn't just about reaching a shrine, but about becoming a light in someone's darkness. This is the pilgrimage of hope. Scene 1. Preparing for the pilgrimage. Setting at home. Grandmother is packing the bag. Ruben and his sister Amelia enter.
Grandma, why do we go on a pilgrimage to Montmary every year?
Go with prayers to our mother in our hearts, and she gives a fruit that they will be answered. It's not about reaching the shrine, but about helping others on the way.
Can we carry some food and clothes for people in need this time?
Yes, my dear. Yes, my dear. It's a spirit of a beautiful day.
Come on then, let's go. Our friends will be waiting outside.
Scene 2. On the journey. Setting. All other friends are waiting.
Look at the trees, the sky. This journey is so beautiful. My legs are paining. Why can't we just take a car? Come on, Dad. Pilgrimage means patience. Let's enjoy this journey by walking and talking.
Ruel, Grandma and Anita joins them walking the trail with backpacks and offerings. On the way, we see a poor girl sitting by the roadside.
I wish I could go to church, but my mother is sick and I have no food also. Grandma, can we help her?
Yes, my dear. Give us some what we brought.
Tyler gives jacket and Ruel gives food.
Come on, friends. We are almost there.
Scene 3. Hope among pilgrims. Setting. Resting on the steps of Mount Mary.
I don't think I can walk anymore. My legs are paining. I feel like giving up. Remember what Grandma said? We walk with her, not just my feet. So come on, you are a strong boy. I remember when you helped Jessica. She smiled with your favorite jacket while you didn't know her. That was good. Now we'll give you some too. You don't have to be strong alone. We all will help on this path. I guess I just needed a little hope or maybe little food. Thanks everyone.
Scene 4. At the shrine. Setting. Church. All bowing down at the altar. The priest.
Welcome, little pilgrims. What did you bring to offer? I brought kindness to offer as right of hope for all pilgrimage. I brought flowers as thanksgiving. I wrote a prayer for peace in the world and for justice among all. I brought kindness for a stranger along the way. And we carried hope in our hearts that Mama Mary will lead us on the right path in our life. That's the greatest offering. Hope should become the light for others.
All did the same with the blessing from priest. Scene 5. A moment of hope and hope. evening at home, relaxing with grandma.
I always thought O was something we go with looking. But now I know sometimes we carry it is us. And giving the blanket to the baby down the street as it's very cold out.
Hope grows when we water it with gratitude, and a home filled with kindness is the best temple in the world. Oh Lord, we are thankful for this day. Let's rest now. It was a tiring day.
And so, the young pilgrims returned, not just with memories, but with heart full of life. They learned that even a small act of kindness can be a light in someone else's darkness. In this journey of life, we all walk different paths, but one thing we all carry is hope in our hearts. It grows whenever we go, and when we give it to others. Just as Mother Mary did, without expectation in return, we light the world together in love